It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, I want to teach you how to change your pre-filters in your Hydra-Home unit. So if you don't already know, the Hydra-Home unit comes in a bundle pack. So you'll receive a filter that goes internal with the unit. So you can make hydrogen water, you can make ozone water, you can make heated water for soaking your feet or making tea. But this unit comes with its own filter. That filter is good for getting out chlorine, odor, taste, arsenic, some pharmaceuticals, but it's not a huge, robust filtration system. So we have one here that comes with the unit. Now we also provide you a pre-filter. Now this pre-filter, we have exchanges here. So these are the filters. We're going to take these out and I'll show you how to put new ones in. But what we do is a complementary water analysis. We look at your water, we decide what media we need to put in these filters for you to help get out things like PFAS and radium and all the other contaminants. There's 60,000 known contaminants in our tap water. So we will do the research for you and your unit will come with the ones that we recommend. So now when we're going to go ahead and do a reorder for them, same thing. We'll see your zip code and we'll make sure to get you the right pre-filters. Even if you didn't put the right ones in the cart, it's okay. We got you covered on this end. So what we're going to do, the first step here, is this can either be under the counter, you can even mount it on the wall, or it can be on top. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your water. You don't want any leaking. This is water we're dealing with, so make sure to turn off your main water valve here coming to your sink or wherever the water is coming into the unit. Second step is make sure you have strong hands. If you don't, ask somebody else that does have strong hands, or there's tools that you can get to open these up, to unscrew. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to take, I've already closed the water valve off so that we don't have that to worry about. And then these are our old filters. You want to change filters every 6 months to 1 year. And the reason for that is because the filters get full. And if you're in an area that has a lot of calcium, magnesium, potassium, hard water, it's going to fill up to the point where, okay, the water has nowhere to go. It's clogged. And so then it will start to leak. So if you don't change it every 6 months to a year and you notice leaking, that's probably why your filters got clogged. So you want to make sure and go in there and change them. Another reason is there's bacteria that can grow. Just like any water area, bacteria, it's a great host for these little guys. They start growing. So if you go longer than a year, there's potential the bacteria can start to grow. So you definitely want to change them at least every year. And that's for this guy and this guy too. The worst thing you want is to drink moldy water when you want better health. Okay, so just gonna unscrew these guys, and then you're going to notice here that these come out. And you just go right over to Healthy Hydration and get brand new ones of these. Okay, so you're going to take those out, and you can just dump off the excess water here. And all you're going to do is plop the new ones in. Pretty simple. And then you're going to align them here. And make sure all your connections are good. You'll have the quick connects. Make sure you have the plumbing tape in place. And just screw them right back on. Very, very simple. Not rocket science, for sure. Anybody can do this. So then just tighten it back in place, as tight as can be. And that's it. Now you've changed your pre-filters that go along with your Hydra-Home unit here from Healthy Hydration. If you got questions or you want to know about this unit and how powerful it is for your health, it's the simple, most easiest thing you can do for your health every day. Our bodies are 75% water. Why would you not want to drink the best water? So if you got questions about this technology, reach out to us on email, phone, just send us a message on social media. We'd love to hear from you. Until the next video, be happy, be healthy, and be free.